You can turn one idea into 10 different videos by changing the video hook. It's not only that you can do it, but you probably also should. Here's why. Creating multiple hooks for one video will not only help you produce more videos faster and cheaper, but will also help you figure out what type of hooks work in your niche. This is super important when you're starting out or know nothing about TikTok or your audience. Hi, my name is Simonas, and we help brands grow on TikTok by creating content for them and managing their accounts. Let's go on with the rest of the video. I'll explain a little bit more about the hooks. So hook is the most important part of your video. No matter how good the rest of the video is, if people skip on the hook, no one will see your creation. There are 3 types of hooks you should experiment with. Verbal hooks. This is what you say and how you say it. How do you deliver the video idea in the first 3 seconds so the viewer doesn't leave? Then we have visual hooks. This is what the viewer sees in your video. This could be where you're filming, what people, memes or images that you add, anything that could stop your viewer scrolling. And lastly, the text hook. This is simply the text on the video that explains your idea again in a different way. Now you know what type of hooks there are, but what do you change them into? Let me tell you. The easiest one are the verbal hooks. There are as many verbal hooks as emotions, so you can pretty much do anything. Have a negative or a positive hook, a how-to or a quick tip, social proof or a personal story. In one of your hook you can try swearing, in the other one not. You can either try to make them funny or controversial. Really, the any limit is your imagination. Really, every single little variable plays a role. So just test them out and see what works for you in your niche. And then go to the second, visual hook. Visual hooks often pair with verbal or text hooks. It depends on them a lot. For example, if you use social proof hook, you want to go ahead and show that social proof. And it could be almost anything else. A meme or a joke, controversial or a popular figure, again social proof, anything that's trending that fits what you're saying, or the area of your filming. By doing this, you're showing something they already know and are interested in, so they're more likely to stop and continue watching your video. And the same way goes for text hooks. Text hook is simply the video idea. Same thing as the verbal hooks, just in other words. There's not much to talk about them as they're pretty straightforward, but here are a few tips. If you're using TikTok native text, which means you add text in the TikTok app itself, make sure it's search engine optimized. Just like verbal hooks, there are a lot of types for text hooks. You can also change them based on emotion, controversy, jokes, anything like that. You can and totally should misspell words in your visual hook. That gets people to comment, which boosts your engagement. And for those who waited till the end, here's a bonus tip. An audio hook. Audio hook is simply something that's playing in the background. It could be anything. A meme audio, sound effect, game sound effects, or a song, or a popular intro. Anything that could catch them off guard and keep them listening. Just so you know, people love unexpected stuff. Make sure your hooks complement each other. Don't use a negative verbal hook and positive text hook. It's just going to confuse your viewers. You really don't have to, but if you don't want to do everything yourself, you can click the link in the description and book a call with me, and we'll do everything for you. That's it, and subscribe for more tips on short form content.